Dear parents and students of Kingsville High School, page, short presentation, how to create, open your Google Classroom account, how to access the assignments, quizzes, and interact with your teacher work. So let's go to my page. I'm going to show you. So here we are. Let me minimize it, bring it down. So on this page now, I'm going to go ahead and start my classroom. So this is my account. As you can see, the Google account is already I have created. For you, you have to click on the sign in. Here there will be a sign in icon. You click on it, put your email and put your password, and you will be in the system. So that's the first thing first. Now next to it, there's a Google Apps. People call it Waffle. Looks like Waffle, but it's cube 3x3. It's an app icon. If you click on this app icon, you will see there are a lot of apps available by the Google G Suite. So on this, there's an email list you need, and Google Drive and the Google Classroom. So I will click on the Google Classroom, and as you see, I am here. I have 3 classes. So very quick, what I'm going to do is I'm going to unroll myself from the class so I can show you how to enroll. So this is my student page. So to access this page or your teacher's page, you will click on this plus sign, join class, and all you need to do just to have a class code so you can enter the class code. If the teacher sends you an invitation, that will go to your Gmail, and then you can click on that link and you will access the class. So here I'm going to go ahead and type in my password. So where I get the password, I'll get it from my teacher. So let's go to my teacher's account, which you cannot go, but I'm a teacher. So I'll go to the account and I'm going to go get my access code for that class. So I'm adding second period. This is what access code look like, guys, and the teachers will copy or email it to you. So I am going to go ahead and copy this code. And let's see, copy this code. You will right click, copy, and then you go to your page, and then so you won't do that. You will already have that code because I'm acting like teacher and a student. So as soon as you type your code, your join sign will show up here. So you click on the join sign, and this will take you to in few seconds to your second period. To see all your classes, you click on this 3. Let me go back again. These 3 lines. If you click on classes, you can see all your classes here. Okay. So I am going to go ahead and start a small presentation to walk you through the different components of Google Classroom, why it's important, and what it is. So Google Classroom training for parents and students, the one I'm presenting today, is all about how to go to the Google and sign up, which already kind of showed it to you. What is Google Classroom? It's a class organization platform that incorporates Google's core G Suite, which is Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive, and other Google products. How do you set up Google Classroom? Students will get an email invite from their teacher with the link or a code, and they will join the class. Preferably use school-created account. Can you use Google Classroom at home? Yes. Students can access Google Classroom from anywhere, including from their phones, and they only have to download a Google Classroom app. Can I communicate with my child's teacher through Google Classroom? Yes. If student's teacher wants to use Google Classroom for communication, they will send you an invitation, and after accepting it, you will receive updates directly from them, which will include all the information required for the class. So let's go back to our class now. So if we are here, I'm going to go to this class. On the left side, you see all upcoming events. On the very top, you see stream, classwork, and people. People are the students in your class. Classwork, which teacher assigns you. And the stream is mostly your teacher's announcements and notes. They are by date. So you can access all that information from here. On the very left, you see those three lines. If you click on those three lines, you can see all your periods. If you click on your to-do list, you can see everything due to the teacher, all the assignments. If you go to those lines again, click on calendar, you will see all your assignments are in the calendar. So I think this is the best way to access your work. All you have to do, click on that work, whatever is due. The page looks like this. On the right side, you can mark work is done when you finish your Google form or your quiz, or you can click on add or create, and you can take a picture of your work if you want to load it. You can go to Google Drive and load whatever you have the document. I'll show you in a minute. Or you can create new docs or slides or sheets to load it to your work. So let's go to Google Drive. If I go to Google Drive, I have these are my recent documents I have used. I can upload from my computer. I can go to my drive and upload all these lessons. Lot of options. So let's see if I go to my upload from my drive. I think this is the hardest part. So you browse, you go to your computer, and your document, it can be saved under documents, it can be saved under your PC. So I'm going to pick this picture and we'll load it. It is loading, and as soon as it's loaded, I can say, okay, I'm done. If this is more than one work, you can add more sheets, yes. And then you say turn in, and once you turn in, your teacher will receive it and it will show under your name. Okay, so that's how you turn in your work or finish your work. So let's go back to our classes again. Now I'm going to go to second period. Same thing, upcoming events on this side, lessons down here, your classwork. So let's go to the classwork. So I'm going to go back to, let me check if there's a classwork here. Yes, so there's a one classwork here. The one thing I want to show you is once you finish your classwork, I'll go back to my classwork page. Once you finish or submit your classwork, so I just submitted this, and so this is not this is highlighted, colored. This is not. So if you have a gray icons, that means you already submitted those lessons, and these are not. So be careful when you look at your work, and when you go to your calendar, you can see the same thing. All your topics are here. So I'm pretty sure one more thing, you can view your work here. So there are a lot of places you can see your work turned in, or assigned, or turned in. So you have all the information here. You can not miss any opportunity to learn. So one thing, on the left side, you see all assigned returned. Sometimes teacher will return work for you to redo it, and if it's missing, if you are behind, then you will see a missing work. So I think that's all about Google Classroom. Please, ladies and gentlemen, dear parents and students, please let us know if we can help you with anything else. And enjoy your year, and hope you enjoy and learn a lot with the new learning style. Thank you very much for watching my video. We'll see you soon.